Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel DKG Dexter Zone. So today I'm going to talk about the circular that has been issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The circular issued is related to the board meeting. Basically we know the gap, maximum gap between two board meetings is 120 days, but that gap of 120 days has been extended by 60 days. That means the gap of 120 days has become now 180 days between two board meeting, and that extension is basically for first two quarter of this 21-22 financial years. So just have a look on the circular that has been issued by this MCA. So just have a look on this. This has been issued on 3rd of May, as you can see over here, right? And the subject of this circular is gap between two board meetings under section 173 of Companies Act 2013, as you know. And this has been of course done due to this COVID-19 situation that is happening around especially in India. So as you can see over here, it has been decided that the requirement of holding meetings of the board of the companies within the intervals periods in section 173 of Companies Act, that is 120 days, extended by a period of 60 days for first two quarter of financial year 21-22. That means that has been done only for first two quarter. That means for first quarter of financial year is April, May, June, and then second quarter is July, August and September. So these are the two quarters for which this extension has been granted. So let's try to understand this by example. One example. See, if let's create a hypothetical situations. If some company has held its board meeting in let's say in March, right? March. Let's say it has been held on 15 March, right, in 2021. So of course this is the requirement of previous financial year that has already been complied with. Now the company has to hold its board meeting for 21-22 financial year, right? So the first quarter is April, May, June, right? Then second one is July, August and September, right? So if this company has held its meeting on 15th of March, then next meeting can be held within 180 days as per this circular. Just need to count 180 days from this date, and last date should be within 180 days. That means 180th day can be the last day of for holding that board meeting. I hope you are getting it. Company is unable to hold its board meeting in April, in May, in June, then July, then August. So let's assume 30 days in each month, 30, 30, 30, right? And then 30 and then 30. So 150 and then again 15 here. So it can be held somewhere here 15, right, on 50th day if we are assuming 30 days in each month. So basically you just need to count 180 days from this date, and 180th day will be the last day on which this board meeting should be held, right? So this is basically the relaxation, because we know we all are going through this COVID period, so we need not to mandatorily hold the board meeting as per the gap that has already been prescribed in Companies Act, that is 120 days, right? So I hope it is clear now. So if you have any question or comment, any questions, you can mention the same in comment, or if you have any other interpretation for the same, you can also comment the same in the comment box below. So thank you so much and have a nice day.